is Miss Markowitz. Welcome to the first cooking of our mug cooking. Today we're going to make a confetti cake in honor of Miss Marcela's birthday. Happy birthday, Miss Marcela! What do we need to make our confetti cake? Well, if you look at the recipe, which I did ahead of time, and I laid out all my ingredients. I need flour, I need sugar, I need baking powder, I need salt, buttermilk, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and sprinkles. Even though the sprinkles were optional, I chose to get the sprinkles for the confetti cake. So what do I need to do? I need to start measuring my ingredients into my mug. So the first ingredient that I need is I need a 1/4 cup of flour. So I look at my measuring cups and I find the one that says 1/4. Now I don't want to dig it into the flour, which I could. Instead, I think what I'll do is I'll reach for a spoon, and I know you guys can get a spoon in your kitchen, and I'm going to put it into my measuring cup. Make sure that you do it inside the bag if you can, it helps. I make sure I even it out, and then I put it into the mug. I need 2 tablespoons of sugar. I look for my measuring spoons, not my cups, and I find a tablespoon. I need 2. Count with me. 1, 2. Very good. I need 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Now remember, teaspoon, tablespoon. Table is T-A-B-L-E. Teaspoon is T-E-A. So I look at my measuring and I need 1/4 teaspoon. And I found it. The initials would be TSP on most measuring spoons. 1/4, 1/4. I find my baking powder, take off the lid, and I dig my spoon and I scrape it, and then I put it into my mug. Then I put my cap back on because that helps me to know that I already used it. Now I'm going to go down and I need salt, a pinch. What's a pinch? A pinch is just like a little bit. You put it into your hand, a little bit, and then you put it in the cake, in the mix. Voila, just a little bit of salt. And now I need to stop, because these are all my dry ingredients, and I mix it together with the fork. All mixed up. Now I'm going to do my wet ingredients. I need 3 tablespoons of buttermilk. So I take my buttermilk, and I'm going to look for my tablespoon, and I'm going to count 3. Count with me. 1, 2, and 3. Voila. I'm going to close that back up because I've used it. And I'm going to do my vegetable oil. How much vegetable oil do I need? 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. So I'm going to measure my vegetable oil, and I'm going to put it into my cake, and I'm going to put the cap back on, and I'm going to put in my vanilla extract. We used that a lot in our class last year. For those that are new, get some because we do use it a lot in our recipes. So I need 1/4 again. That good old 1/4. 1/4 TSP, not table, teaspoon. I measure 1/4, put it in, and now I'm going to put my cap back on because I know I've used that ingredient. I'm going to take my optional sprinkles, and it says a tablespoon. I'm going to go to my tablespoon again, and I'm going to measure my sprinkles and put them into my cake. Sound good so far? Yummy to me. I'm going to take my ingredients and I'm going to mix it all up. Mix it all up. Ooh, I'm getting hungry already. Can't wait to celebrate Miss Marcela's birthday. What a fun thing to do, to make a cake to celebrate someone's birthday. And you can do it all on your own. So exciting. I'm going to put this in the microwave right here. Open up my microwave. and it says 1 minute and 30 seconds. So you can either press 1, let it go, and then press add 30, or you can press cook time, however your microwave is, 130. And then guess what? You open it up, you take it out, and voila, the cake is done. But the best part is, you let it cool, you grab your spoon or your fork. This is the best part. Are you ready? That is so good. See you at the party. Bye.